Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a delicious breadless fried chicken. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 12 drumsticks, 6 packages of sazón goya, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, garlic salt, black pepper, and vegetable oil. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to start by removing the skin off our chicken. You can absolutely leave the skin on if you want a crispier chicken. I like to just remove the skin off of mine. Human versus chicken. I like my chicken to look clean, so you don't have to remove all this part because obviously you're not gonna eat that, but just for the looks. After you remove the skin, or if you choose to leave the skin on, you're going to cut 2 lines on your chicken, just like that. Okay, so just create 2 cuts like that on both sides. Okay, so we're just going to repeat the process until we're done with all of our drumsticks. Alright, so once we have our chicken nicely clean and cut, we're going to add our 1 cup of vinegar. So that's just going to help with the smell and also tenderize our chicken. Just leave it there for a minute, and then we're going to rinse it with water. Alright, so now we're just going to rinse them with water and remove all the water, the vinegar. So just rinse them until your water is clear. And I'm just going to place them in paper towels and pat them dry. Remember, we are going to fry them, so we don't want no water on our drumsticks. And then after that, just start placing them in the same bowl that you rinsed them. So now we are ready to season them. Okay, so I'm going to add my sazón goya. Now if you want to make less chicken, just use 1 packet for 2 drumsticks. And now if you want to use gloves also, use them because this is going to stain your hands. So just make sure that your drumsticks are all coated. And I'm going to add some garlic salt. Don't add too much because this already has salt and you don't want your drumsticks to be very salty. So just lightly add some garlic salt. And black pepper. Okay, so once everything's all nicely coated, we're going to let them sit for a little bit while our oil gets hot. Alright, so in a large frying pan, I'm going to set it on medium heat. I'm going to add my oil. So I'm just going to add about half a bottle. Okay, so we're just going to wait for that to heat up, and then we're going to throw in our drumsticks. We're going to add our chicken and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. So we're just going to let that cook, and then we're going to turn them over and let the other side cook. Alright, so after 5 minutes, we're going to flip them over and let that side cook for another 5 minutes. Alright, so after 5 minutes, you want to make sure that your chicken is fully cooked. Mine is, so I'm going to remove it from the oil and set it on paper towels to drain all that excess oil. Okay, so we are ready to serve. Alright guys, so now we are ready to enjoy our delicious fried chicken. And here I'm just serving it with jalapeno rice and a side of salad. So let's enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part. Are you ready? Giovanni's favorite. Ready? Okay, let me take my chicken. Yeah. Cheers. Delicious. You like it? He loves his chicken. Seriously, super delicious, super fast, and you don't have to worry about, you know, dipping it anywhere. Just straight to the stove, and then you have your delicious chicken with my lettuce. Let's go sit down. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, at home makes super easy and delicious breadless fried chicken. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.